Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Oh, there's Mason over there. He just arrived. But today we're gonna do like a quick overview of my newly acquired 2007 335i. This is what it looks like. It has the M-style front bumper, M-style side skirts, carbon fiber side mirror caps, carbon fiber rear diffuser in the back. Also a trunk clip, and I think they're sitting on Curva concept wheels. Not sure what they are, but I believe they're 19s or 20s. Car's full bolt-ons. Hold on, let me see if I could pop the hood for you guys. But yeah, it has a dual cone intake, towel blow-off valve, charge pipe, down pipes. Everything on it is pretty good. It's a 6-speed manual. Hey Mason, there's Mason. Hello. Another one has arrived. Yeah. Also, it's running on a MHD Stage 2 tune right now. That's what the interior looks like. Full red interior. Yes.
No. Let me try.
Just feel it. Just feel for it.
Let me try without figuring it out.
2 hours later.
Nice.
Alright, okay.
What do you guys think? Clean, huh?
Dude, that's hella clean.
They got dual, I think they're like, I forgot if they're AEM or not, but dual cone intake. This towel exhaust or blow valve sounds really good. Sounds super nice. It's like loud too. Has like the upgraded charge pipe already installed. I think there is a small coolant leak though, to be honest. I did see a little bit of coolant fall out, but I think it's pretty common. The water pump might be time to change out. But yeah.
Come on, dude. You know what? You don't know what
that's your wiper fluid.
Oh, okay. Backward. It's supposed to be upside down.
Yeah, look at the sign.
What does it look? Go.
Yeah, just think about it. What does that look like? Troy, what is that?
Yeah.
With a tablet. I forgot to mention the tablet right there.
What is it? Is it like a Amazon tablet?
Clean the boys.
Wait, can we turn this on? It was, I don't know if it's working right now, but it was working earlier. This one also has heated seats and a backup sensor. It's like a little different from the last one.
Is that a leak? Is that a Rolls Royce? What the fuck? This is the Rolls Royce. I don't know. Is that a Wraith? You put on a clip. I forgot what it was heavy.
It does feel. It feels
heavier than
hella.
last time.
Yeah, it feels really heavy.
I think we can still do pulls.
I think you need to get the best effect. Yeah, I won't get
Nah,
the best
don't worry,
effect, but
don't
hey,
worry.
with 4 people though.
That is a Rolls Royce.
What the fuck?
Dang.
Steal the shit, see if it goes down. I feel it though. That first kill too.
That Burble tune is amazing.
I
dude.
know. The thing is
Watch
so
the shit.
nice.
Hit him away. Hit the guys. Oh, chill. He's Oh, it sounds nice on the outside.
It does.
Damn, this focus, man. It ain't working. Damn, that shit loud as fuck.
outside, dude. John in the back.
I know.
Get some.
It sounds good as fuck. Oh shit.
So for K tuning, you basically just go to new tune.